Okay guys, this is what this add-on does. It's a simple add-on that just fixes an issue that Blender has. Actually, it's not an issue, it's a Blender behavior default. Okay, what is this behavior? For example, if I have an object here and I apply a bevel modifier, it will be applied just for this object. Okay, if I have to apply for all of them, I go here and then copy to select it. Okay, but as soon as I change it here, it doesn't update all of them unless I press here, press Alt and then change it. Otherwise, if I just press it here and change, nothing will change on the other objects. But you have all of them selected. Once you have a bunch of objects selected and you want to apply an operation, on my mind, coming from 3ds Max, you want to apply that operation to all the selected objects, right? That's how it works in everywhere, but not in Blender. And I know there's a reason for you have the last selected object, the last selection. The Blender has a superpower on that, but that behavior shouldn't affect that. Okay. For that, I created this auto sync. Let me go here. Right. Oh, also I want to show you this. If you want to apply, you can copy to select it. But if you want to delete, you can't delete from all of them. You have to go one by one deleting them. Okay, that's painful. That's not how it should be. And you also don't have the option to apply for all the objects. So you know what I mean? It's missing this here. It's missing this possibility. Okay, so that makes the whole process of working with multiple modifiers and different objects that is related a bit painful. Okay, the same thing if you add a keyframe here, it would add a keyframe just for this guy, not for all of them. Okay, so it's painful. Let's say you want all of them to animate all together, you can't go here and just press insert a keyframe because all the rest of the objects will not have a keyframe. Okay, so that's painful, right? That's why I've created this add-on autosync, which means that as soon as you apply any modifier here, it will apply to all of them. Okay, as it should be. Okay, if you change it here, it will change to all of them as it should be, right? If you press insert keyframe to all selected, it will insert a keyframe to all the selected objects, right? That's exactly how it should be. Okay, let's animate this guy. And if I go here and animate this guy, right, all of them will be updated, and then you insert a keyframe. Okay, so all of them are animated at the same time. Okay, but for example, if you want to clear up the keyframe for some of them and you don't want them to be animated anymore, you can go here and then clear the keyframes for all of them. So now all the rest is animated except for those. Okay, and also if you want to clear the modifier for the one selected, you just go here and clear all. You have to have them at least one of the selected for the last, and then you clear here, you clear the modifier for all of them. Okay, so that's how I believe it should be the blended default behavior, but it's not for now. And then that's what the add-on does. It's a simple add-on that's fixed and then help you on this workflow. Once you have a scene and you need to animate multiple modifier, multiple objects with the same modifier, and want to have them animated all together, making keyframes for them, then you realize how painful that could be. Okay, so that's what this add-on address, and it's a simple add-on. You can get that on my Patreon in the link below. Follow me on my videos on my YouTube channels if you are interested in Blender 3D, all of that. I'm always developing tools, showing solutions, things that I figured on my daily workflow. I work 8 hours for a company as an art piece artist, and apart from that, I'm always studying, always developing things for Blender, which I love. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.